Good afternoon, students. In the previous period, we have seen dividing by powers of 10. Today, we are going to see the same exercise number 1.10, and we are going to see place the correct symbol. For this, we should know which decimal is greater and which is smaller. For putting the symbol greater than, less than, or equal. These three symbols we have to use in the below in the sums. For example, we are having question 0.4 and 0.04. Now children, here number of digits in front of decimal point doesn't matter. We have to see the digit in tenth place only. The digit in 10th place is greater, that number is greater. Because before decimal point the digits are equals, that's why we are saying after decimal point 10th place, here 4 is greater, that's why this number is greater. Although you are seeing that two digits are there after decimal point, but we are going to see only the 10th place after decimal point. The 10th place whose decimal numbers is greater, that number is greater. Another example you see 0.28, 2.8. Here clear idea is there. 0.28, 2.8. Definitely this number is greater. 0.2, 2.8. So 2 is greater, that's why this decimal is greater. Next question is 7.2, 7.02. Again the same like first sum. Here see after decimal 7 is same before decimal point. After decimal point 10th place here is 2. After decimal point 10th place is 0. We have to see only 10th place first. If 10th place is equal, then you have to move towards 100th place. Now the 10th place whose decimal is greater, that decimal is greater. So our answer is this. Now about D question 0.6. 0.006. Although the length of this number is greater, but the value of this number is greater. What is the reason? The reason is that 10th place of this decimal is greater than the 10th place of this decimal. Another question you see in E question. What is the question? 1.58 and 1.85. Definitely you see before decimal point 1, here after decimal point 10th place, here 5, here 8. So this decimal is greater, and so on. Hope you understood the remaining sum solution. I will send you. You have to solve in fair notebook. Another thing we will see about the ascending and descending order. Question number 3 of exercise 1.10. Let us see. Exercise 1.10, question number 3. Question is you have to arrange a number in ascending order. And they have told us using symbol this. Greater than. Sorry, less than. Now listen, the question is that we are having question 77.077, another 77.7, then 77.07, then 77.707, then 7.707. Here first of all, for finding ascending order, we should know which number is smaller amongst this. So here 77.77, 77, 77. After decimal point here, only before decimal point only here is 7. So the smallest number is this. That's why you have to take this number first. So how to write ascending order? Ascending order. So first number is 7.707. This number is less than which number? Now you see 77.0 is there, 77.7 is there. Again here is 0.7, 0.0. Here is 7 is greater. So amongst these two, you see 77.07. But again one more number is there, that's why this is greater and this is smaller. So write the smaller one first, 77.07. Definitely after this it will come 77.077. Again less than, this number is less than the other which number. Now with remaining, this is over, this is over, this is over. Now amongst these two we have to see 77.707. So this will be greater and this will be greater than this. So first of all you have to write 77.7, again less than 77.707. Now another question, question number 4. Fourth question, we have to write the answer in descending order. You have to use the symbol this. Now children, the same manner you have to write. The question is 56.41. Then we are having 56.4. Then we are having 56.041. Then we are having 5.241. Then we are having 5.641. Children, for descending order, we should know the greater number. Now for find the greater number, here 5 and 5 definitely these are not the greater number. 56.0 or 56.4 definitely amongst this one should be greater. This is the greater. So descending number, descending order. So the first number is 56.41. Now we have to write the symbol in this manner. This number is greater than another number 56.4 only, definitely 56.4. This is greater than this 56.041 is greater than amongst these two, which is greater? 5.241, 5.641. Definitely this will be greater. 5.641. Again this is greater. 5.241. That is the answer. Hope you understood.